Hello everyone, welcome to part 10 of Dating Social Networking series in Laravel 5.6. And in part 10 of dating series, we will continue working on dating form that we have started some videos back. And we are going to create dating profile. And in this video again, we will add some more fields to our dating profile. Okay, might be we will add all the fields. We will try to add all the fields, but we will try that how many more fields we can add. And these fields we can copy from the website government.in, like I have told you earlier also. So see, or you can also add from some other fields, or you can add of your own. See, for reference, we need some of the websites. Okay, so up till now, we have added date of birth, gender, height, marital status, body type, complexion, city, state, country, and languages. Okay, and for languages and country, you have already seen that we have got the table. We have got the MySQL table from Google itself, and so it does not take much time. And but now we need to add hobbies as well. But hobbies, unfortunately, we can't get from Google. If we will search hobbies table, then it won't search in Google. I think so. We can check once. We want to have hobbies table. Hobbies MySQL table is not available at all. So that is the issue. Okay. So we need to create hobbies table. Our is of our own table we need to create, and after that we need to create hobby model as well, and we need to update step 2 function, and we need to add option here for hobbies, multiple options here for hobbies as well. And after hobbies, this personal information part will complete, and after completing this personal information part, we will work on education and career. We will make separate means heading for education and career, in which we will add some more fields like highest education, occupation, and income. And after that, we will add about myself and about my family and about my preferred partner. And that's all in dating form. So we are going to start with hobby first. So part 10, uh, in part 10 of dating social networking website, we will continue working on dating form, and will add more fields. Okay, like hobby, education and career fields. Here fields, and what else? About myself, my family, my preferred partner. Basically, about myself and my preferred partner and my partner. Okay, fields as well. Okay, so we are going to add all these fields, and we have seen that hobbies, MySQL table is not available online. So we have to add of our own. Okay. So first step that we will take is create hobbies table. Okay. We will manually create hobbies table this time, and we can add only 2 columns, ID and title. Okay, we can add below 2 columns in hobbies table. One is ID and second one is title. because nothing else we require. So we can simply create this table. It's very simple. I'm going to create hobbies table. Okay, two columns only I require. Yeah, it's written and ID of int is fine and title. Okay, with bracket because uh, we will not, and we are going to make it primary. Okay, auto increment as well. Primary is fine with auto increment. I'm going to save it. See, our table is ready. See, our table is ready. Hobbies table, ID, title. So our table is now ready. Okay, and you can add well ID and title. To add like this. Okay, so after now see the table has been created. Now in the next step we will create a hobby model. Okay, now we will create hobby model like below in command prompt. Okay, see this one we already know PHP artisan make model hobby. It's created. Now we will check that. Sorry, wrong file open. See, it's created. Okay, now the next step. Now we are going to update the two function. That function we have created for the step 2 of user registration, means that is the dating form. Okay, so this is the step 2 function. We need to update this function. Okay, so mm, now we will update step 2 function located at user controller so that we can get all hobbies from hobbies table and return to step 2 blade file. Okay, so we are going to do this thing. Use controller. I'm going to search step 2 function. Okay, and in the same way we are going to get all the hobbies. Get all hobbies. Yeah. And here I am going to add one variable like this, and hobby is already we have added, and here also we can use order by, and we have title not name, so we will use title ascending. It will come in alphabetical order. Now after that can just simply like this, and hobbies we will pass. Okay, so also don't forget to update one more thing. Update header statement. Now add uh, use app hobby here. Okay, at the top. So use app slash hobby. Okay, the statement at the top of user controller file. Okay, this is really necessary. Otherwise, issue will come. We are going to add hobby here as well. Okay, here you have add hobby, and now see. Now in the next step, we are going to update now step 2 dot blade dot php file. Now update step 2 blade file to add hobbies drop down. Okay, for the user to select in the bidding form. Now I will open step 2 on the PHP file. State like languages. I am going to add hobby. I can copy this one. Okay, and paste it. And here I can write like hobbies. And here also it will come like hobbies. Okay, then here also hobby. Here we will add like hobby. Here make sure that we are having title, not having. Then we can pass title, or even we can pass ID. Okay. Okay, like this. Title. Hobby title is here. That's fine. And here also. Here also. And okay. So now we are going to refresh this one. See here, hobbies have been added, but we have not added anything in hobbies so far. So we are going to insert some of the data in hobbies table, and we can get some of the data from some other website like go.in. Now I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to copy some of the data like this one. Some of the data we can add animal related, arts and crafts, like this. Edit will automatically add. See, fine. Like this, we will add some more data. Computer related is the field related to us. Okay, so we will shortly add computer related, and electronics we can also add. Games we can add. You can add all the fields, but I am just going to add few of the fields in trend base thing related to us as well. So you can add all the fields that based on your requirement. I'm going to add some of the fields so that we know the alphabetic order, and means some of the data coming, it will be really good if some of the data coming. So I think other things also will add. Okay, in position you can add on your own as well. That's it. See, I have added, inserted some of the rows. 9 rows I have added, and I am going to refresh now. Here you see here all the data is coming. Okay, now we can multi-select the data, and it's coming fine. Okay, now we can also see if the hobby is going, like if we are going to submit this data, it's going there or not. Okay, I'm just going to add some detail note that much accurate, but we can add as much detail. Now we can see hobbies are coming, animal computer. So it's coming. Okay, so it's fine. So now after hobby we will add more data as well. We are going to add education and career. Highest education. Okay, highest education is having bachelor, master kind of thing, and in which stream the person have done, like master in computers, like I have done MCA. So masters in computers means MCA. So master in some other field as well. So what we can do, we will simply add test field. The user going to add if he wants to add, otherwise it's of no use. Okay. So we are going to add text field for this thing, and for test field we can copy any of the another test field and going to paste here. We are not going to write like T or TT again. So we're going to paste, and here we are going to write highest education. Very simple. And going to write highest education, and here I'm going to sorry education like this. Yeah. So this seems to be fine, and I will refresh and we see that it is coming fine. Okay, and now we can move forward and we'll add more fields, and now we will add occupation and income. That is fine. We will add drop down for them, and the drop down we can add. We just need to copy this one as well, and here yeah, now I'm going to add occupation here, and I'm going to add this one as well. Okay, so here I'm going to copy all these fields, complete select statement, and this I can do it like split adjustment, and here I can copy, and here I can paste. See, so many fields are there. Okay, so and question is fine. We can move it like this, and now we can see this empty spaces we can, if we can able to remove. Okay, you can select like this to fasten up the task. Okay, so that it will not take much time. Okay, see, all will be done at once. Okay, but formatting is really important, otherwise there is more tricks to uh, more tricks to make sure that your data never go wrong. Means data must always, formatting must always be done in a proper way. I don't know why it is something like this. I really have no idea, but I will see if I can push it further. See why it's getting issue. Now it's working fine. Yeah, it is coming in front but not going. Strange. Okay, what is coming? So, check again. Too much data, but formatting is really important. See what I'm going to do now. I'm going to open HTML formatting. Okay, because there is we can't waste too much time on this thing, and if we are having more options to do this, then we must try with those options. Okay, and also we can set four spaces uh, level, spaces tab level, and then format HTML. And see, it will done. Select all, copy to clipboard, and we are going to move this one and this. See, wow, what a thing it done for us. Occupation, everything perfect, totally perfect. Wow, this is great. So see, our issue has been resolved in few seconds, and this incidentally we have copied too many times, so this one only one is required. Rest of the occupation we can move. Okay, and that thing we can move now. See, and that is perfect, and it is coming fine. We are going to see here. Yeah, occupation is fine. Yeah, but now we will add one more thing. We are going to add this one, education and career, and for that I will copy like this personal information. Here, same thing. I'm going to add. I'm going to add this one. Here, this career, career, open to one. Career close. Yeah, now find personal information, and see, this we must add after personal information. So I'm going to remove from here and going to add it here. Okay, so it will look like this. Yeah, now fine. Okay, uh, here we are going to add education and career, no personal information. See here the design is little bit better, so you can ask your designer to make it more beautiful, some kind of heading, some kind of font. This entire template and means our entire design is just for learning purpose. Means don't think to copy this for professional purpose. This is just to increase your knowledge of Laravel and will give you basic concept of how to make dating website. Okay, so that all fundas will get clear to you, and you can then make your own dating website with your own template, with your own design. Okay, but this is just for learning. Okay, I hope you got my point. And see, occupation field has been added. And see, all these fields that we are adding, we are going to add all these fields in user details table that we have created last time. But right now we have just added some of the data from some of the initial fields data we have added. But later on, we will add all the data to this user detail form, and all the data is going to appear in admin panel as well. And when the admin will approve, only then user can able to access the other features of the dating profile. Okay, so we will see this thing, and now we will going to add some more fields like income. We can also add this field. Some more fields we can add now. See, this one I can remove. Okay, and same like this one I can copy, or I can copy this one smaller one, and here I can write income, and this one again I am going to copy. This is the small one, and now I can paste it here. Okay, yeah, this is the small one. This, so we can correct now. So in few minutes, few seconds even, nothing in it, and we can simply make tab and can do like this. Okay, so it has been done quickly. So here we can add select as well. Yeah, select. So here we can add select, and there also we can add select in the earlier one, so that it will look fine. See now. See. Okay. So we are going to remove this style as well. This is not required at all, and now we can refresh again. Yeah, it seems to be fine. And now income field is also done. Occupation, income, both have been added. See, higher education field also needs to be part of education and career. So this field also we are going to add under education and career. Okay, like this. Fine. Now see, it looks fine. Now we are going to add few more fields. We are going to add about myself, about my family is not required, about myself and about my preferred partner. These two fields, and then its dating form is going to complete. Okay, so I'm going to add these two fields as well. So this one I can copy again, but now I'm going to copy first that thing. Okay, this thing that I have created, and yeah, here after this one I'm going to add this one, like about myself. Here it will come about myself. You can add more details to it, like uh, kindly provide you details to be displayed with your profile on site, describe your personality, goals, values, lifestyle. All this kind of line you can also provide along with this one. Otherwise, you can simply add it like this. Okay. So after that, I'm going to add one more thing like this. But here I'm going to remove everything here. I will add again about myself here. Yeah, and this one I'm going to remove, and we need text area here. Okay, name, can be anything about myself like this, anything as per your requirement. And now we will see again how it will look. See about myself field. Uh, You know that you can make the equality, means all fields have equal size. Okay, so you can add the size like this, that all fields have equal size. We will see this. About myself is fine, and after about myself, we are going to add one more field like uh, about my preferred partner. We are just adding the main field. This one also we can add about my preferred partner like this, and about partner we can add like about partner like this. Okay, yeah, now it is fine. Here also we need to correct. We need here also about my preferred partner. Pardon there, about myself, about partner. It seems to be fine. Okay, so now everything seems to be fine. You can refresh it. See all the private partner, about myself, partner details like this. It has been done, and we're going to see that there is some margin. Okay, it's outside. Okay, let's see why it is showing like this. I don't have any clue that why it is looking very old. It is not looking good at all. Not good in design, but at least we can try. It's not looking good. See, this thing must be matched with this one, and it comes inside, and something is wrong with our template. Okay, or we don't require this one. Uh, this thing we will see later on. I will see this thing, and next video we are going to resolve this one. Okay, first we are going to see this one as well, and see that if we can make it a little bit better. Like size is already given size 22. But if we will add for all like this one, then what will happen? No, we will require to have I think bits, specific bits, width of 100 pixel like this, width of 150 pixel, maybe 200. Yeah, and this is required for all, I think. This one. One side we can add again. See, now like this we can update uh, so that it will look good, but you can do your own style, do it in CSS, not here, because this is not the correct logic, correct technique of doing it. Is really bad technique, and I don't recommend this technique at all. And you no need to write CSS here. Okay, this is just temporary so that it will look fine, but don't do like this. Do it in CSS. Okay, for temporary basis you can do it so that it will look good. Otherwise, do from CSS only. Take your time and do from CSS. Okay, because from CSS it will look perfect from CSS. Um, See, just few fields are left, and the rest of these fields seems to be fine now. And this dating series will take time, but in the later videos you will have fun. Uh, but here the issue is forms are too many, and we can't skip these forms because this is the initial stage, and this needs to be done. Otherwise, we can't do anything else. See, it is looking now fine. It is looking in symmetry. So it is fine about myself. Also, we will do something for these test areas to make it little bit better. Okay, so see, our dating form is ready now, and it looks perfect. Now see, uh, now it is looking like a beautiful form. Everything, personal information, education and career, about myself, about my preferred partner. Yeah, now it seems to be perfect. And now we will add some of the information. We see that all information is going fine correctly. So we are going to check. We are going to add two of the languages like English and French. Okay. See, I have selected two, and hobbies, computer related internet and computer related, and music also. And after that, highest education, I will write MCA, and occupation, I will write here any computer professional, and income I can write any income. And about myself, uh, I I am living in India. Okay, and partner details, I prefer my partner to be Indian as well. Okay, so I'm going to now submit. Okay, now see, all information is going fine. We have selected languages English and French, and both are coming. And we have selected hobbies like computer related, internet based, and music, and all three hobbies are fine. And see, education, MC, computer professional, income. I am living in India. I prefer my partner to be Indian as well. See, all the information that we have said is now coming correctly. Now, in the next video, we are going to add uh, fields here, and we are going to insert all these data into those fields, and after that we are going to view all these data in admin panel, uh, so that the admin can approve all that data. Okay, see, you have seen that uh, we have added uh, we have added almost all the columns. Yeah, we have added education and career. We have added education and career fields like uh, highest education, occupation and income, highest education, occupation and income, uh, and after that, and also we have added about myself, and about my partner test area. Yeah, in next video we are going to add all the data in user underscore detail table. So stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I hope everything is clear to you and this form has been clear to you. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice day. Goodbye.